time to look at the opening phrase, the opening chords from Johann Sebastian Bach's great masterwork, the Mass in B minor. This is the Kyrie Eleison. It's how the whole thing starts. I really like these harmonies, and I thought I would share them with you just in an abbreviated form. I'm not trying to play the melody or all of the inner parts, which are quite beautiful, but on guitar we have to accept some limitation, and I would like to err on the side of expressiveness and clarity of texture rather than trying to get every single voice verbatim. So this gets the essence of the chords, I feel. So B minor. I'm at 7th fret, 7, 7, 7 on strings 6, 3, and 1. If you want to get some melodic pitches, whole step above, 9th fret. If you can reach 10th, you could bar. I tend to like individual fingers because I can get more clarity sometimes. Here's slant finger technique from George Van Epps, 7th and 6th fret of the 6th and 1st string. So I'm getting that pairing, making it a little like harmonic minor. Now F sharp 7, second inversion, which means the 5th is in the bass. So from F sharp, 3, 4, 5. I hope you can hear that that's F sharp 7. 4, 5, and 6 on strings 5, 2, and 1. Bach uses diminished chords so beautifully. So here's D sharp diminished, the 7 diminished of E minor in this case. You could say 7 diminished of 4. E minor is the 4 chord in the key of B minor. So 6, 7, 5, strings 5, 2, and 1. And first string, I'm playing with A, C, B. If you want to get G and F sharp, you can get the D sharp on the 3rd string, 8th fret. So diminished. E minor now. So 7 diminished, led right to E minor. Just really 7 and 8, E and G on the 5th and 2nd string. This is some mapping you have to do for yourself, is to find and intuit where the melodic pitches are that work for your ear, that you like. E minor. Now, this diminished chord gets us to B minor. This is A sharp diminished 7 if you like. So we're going to get 6th fret of the 6th and 3rd strings with 2nd string 7th fret. And again I'm playing, finding melodic pitches that I like. There's our diminished going to B minor. 7 and 7, B and D on the 6th and 3rd strings. B minor over A. Just what it sounds like. I have A in the bass, and I'm continuing with the same scale. we got to get G. I'm reaching out from 3 to 7, sometimes going up an octave to the 5th fret of the 4th string. And this is just a way to prolong the resolution to the 5-7, F sharp 7. I think that's Bach's line. So 3, 5, 3, sorry, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3. I really don't think in frets, folks. I think in pitch names. So this to me is just a major chord. Minor, minor, major, major, minor, half diminished, major. B minor, F sharp over C sharp, diminished, leading to E minor, diminished, B minor, with the A in the bass, G, little sus, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4 if you want. And that takes us back to B minor. I hope this has been of some interest, and maybe there's some things that caught your ear that you might like to analyze and look at and try to get onto the board for yourself. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you have suggestions for future videos, that's great. If you can recommend my videos to friends you have that might be interested in this kind of stuff. I know the audience is fairly limited, but for the people that are into it, they're usually pretty into it. I hope this has been enjoyable, and I do wish you a very good day.